everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, well, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are doing a clothing try on haul. Just some items that I picked up from JCPenney and Walmart. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real thing.
This sweater I purchased from Walmart. It was $9.96. This is a size small. It is thin material, but it's Walmart, so you know you gotta expect that. But it's a cute sweater. It's very cute. You just, you know, don't have a hangnail or anything like that, or you'll pull up the thread. But it's very cute. Very cute. The pants, the leggings, I purchased from JCPenney.
This thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing.
This sweater I purchased from Walmart. It's just like the black one. $9.96. This is small. The jeans I purchased from JCPenney. They were on sale for $35.99, I believe. They are Levis, the skinny 711. I want to say, yeah, in a size 8. So I like these.
Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing.
So I have on the same Levi's. This sweater I purchased from JCPenney, and it's the Arizona brand, and it was $34.99, but I used the 20% off coupon. I like it. It's not paper thin like the Walmart sweater, but it's nice, it's comfortable, and you can wear it on your shoulder or off your shoulder. So I like that, and I like the color. This color on the tag was called Rosewood. I thought it was a mauve color, but they have Rosewood on there, so there you go. And that's that.
I found love.
This was on, of course this is a summer top, but it was on clearance for $9 and some change. So I picked it up because I can always just throw on a sweater if I'm going out, but I just thought it was cute. And I think you can wear this one either or, on the shoulders or off. I just prefer off the shoulders. I'm not sure what, it has wings or something maybe, but I prefer off the shoulder. It has the little elastic band at the bottom, which I thought was pretty cute.
Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I
This was from JCPenney on clearance for $14.99. This is by the brand Flirtitude, and this is a medium, so it's an oversized sweatshirt. Great for the fall, great for the winter time. So I like that. It's very comfy.
It's magic when we kiss.
This shirt I purchased from Walmart. This is a size small. It's very stretchy though. It feels like a medium, but it's very stretchy. It was $4.96. I wore this in a previous video. It's very comfortable and I like it. The leggings I purchased from JCPenney. They are by the brand Flirtitude, and they were $9.99 and these are a size medium. I also have them in gray, and you will see that next.
It's more than just a fling. I can't help it. It's more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it.
Picked up from Walmart. This is a small. It was $4.96. It's very comfortable. I will wear them. I wear tank tops, camis, sleeveless shirts all through the fall and winter. I just throw on a denim jacket or a sweater, so that doesn't bother me. But this is very comfortable. The leggings are from JCPenney. They're a size medium. They were $9.99. And did I say what brand? By the Flirtitude brand as well, just like the black one. If you have any questions about the clothing that I tried on, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. And I will try, if I remember, I will try my best to link all of the pieces that I tried on. I'll try to provide a link in the description box below. But thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you have a productive day, and I will see you next time. Bye.